Cooking is an art, and the tools you use can make all the difference. This Soday 12-piece non-stick kitchen cookware set is designed to elevate your culinary experience. From its superior non-stick granite coating to its compatibility with all stovetops, this set offers versatility, durability, and effortless maintenance. In this comprehensive review, we'll explore every aspect of this cookware set, from its build quality and features to how it can transform your cooking routine. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, the Soday cookware set has something to offer for everyone. This combination is perfect for frying, sautéing, steaming, and simmering, making it versatile enough to handle a wide range of recipes. 1. Premium Granite Non-Stick Coating. The highlight of this cookware set is its superior granite non-stick coating, which ensures that food slides right off the surface. This non-toxic coating is free from PFOS and PFOA, providing a safe and healthy cooking environment. Smooth cooking. The non-stick surface allows you to cook with minimal oil, making your meals healthier. Easy food release. Delicate dishes like pancakes, eggs, and fish glide off effortlessly. Durability. SGS-approved coating ensures long-lasting performance, even with frequent use. 2. Quick and even heating. The cookware features a durable aluminum core that promotes fast and even heat distribution. Say goodbye to hot spots that can ruin your meals. The multi-layer granite construction ensures consistent results every time you cook. Efficient cooking. The pans heat up quickly, saving both time and energy. Uniform heating. Perfect for dishes that require precise temperature control, such as sauces or risottos. 3. Multi-purpose compatibility. No matter what type of stovetop you have, the Soday cookware set is designed to perform flawlessly. Gas stovetops achieve precise heat control for searing and sautéing. Electric stovetops. Even heat distribution ensures consistent results. Induction cooktops. The magnetic base provides excellent compatibility and efficiency. 4. Effortless cleanup. Cleaning up after cooking is often the least enjoyable part of the process. Thankfully, the Soday cookware set simplifies this task. Non-stick surface. Simply wipe with a paper towel or rinse with water for light cleaning. Dishwasher safe. While hand washing is recommended for longevity, the set is also dishwasher friendly. This easy maintenance reduces both time and water waste, making your kitchen routine more sustainable. 5. Comfortable bakelite handles. The cookware comes with ergonomic bakelite handles that stay cool to the touch, even during high heat cooking. Heat resistant. No more worrying about burned fingers while handling hot pots and pans. Ergonomic design. Comfortable grip ensures safe and easy maneuvering. Glass lids. The transparent lids allow you to monitor your food without lifting the cover, retaining moisture and flavor. 6. Versatile and complete cooking set. From frying and steaming to simmering and sautéing, this cookware set is built for versatility. The inclusion of silicone utensils like the shovel, spoon, and tongs means you won't need to worry about scratching the non-stick coating. Cooking scenarios. Fry eggs, pancakes, or fish in the non-stick frying pans. Sauté vegetables or meats in the large sauté pan. Steam vegetables or seafood in the saucepan with the included steamer. Prepare sauces, soups, or gravies in the smaller saucepans. 7. Health-conscious cooking. The non-stick coating reduces the need for excess oil or butter, promoting healthier meals. Plus, the cookware is free from harmful chemicals like PFOS and PFOA, ensuring a toxin-free cooking environment for you and your family. 8. Stylish and durable design. The black granite finish not only adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen, but also ensures long-lasting performance. The cookware is built to withstand daily use, making it a reliable addition to your kitchen arsenal. Why choose Soday 12-piece non-stick cookware set? The Soday cookware set stands out for its perfect blend of functionality, durability, and aesthetics. It's designed for people who want high-quality cookware that simplifies cooking and cleaning while promoting healthier eating habits. Safe and healthy, free from harmful chemicals, and designed for low-fat cooking. Versatile, suitable for various cooking techniques and compatible with all stovetops. User-friendly, comfortable handles, easy cleanup, and a comprehensive set of cookware and utensils. Final verdict. If you're looking for a cookware set that offers superior non-stick performance, quick and even heating, and unmatched versatility, the Soday 12-piece non-stick kitchen cookware set is a fantastic choice. Whether you're cooking for a family or in a compact RV kitchen, this set provides everything you need for a seamless cooking experience. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.